warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to back to my channel. So today, before we start, first, before we do activity, we should pray because without God, we cannot do anything. Okay, guys. Today I wanna talk about over the top, so the practice, and then it's the last configuration lab in AGRP. All of the for AGRP. So we will start now. What is AGRP over the top? So AGRP over the top is the feature in AGRP allows router to establish neighbor relationship and then exchange routing information to enter to the routing table over a public or unmanaged network without requiring MPLS or a dedicated layer 2 service from an ISP. So the feature will be uh, relying on a provide managed one and then creates overlay network on top of any exciting IP underlay. Typically, the public internet. This means that remote sites can appear as if they are directly connected. So it will be a central IP, and then it's between uh, the router 1, 2, 3 that's connect to the ISP, also connected to the client, and then even though the communicate truck tunnel over the underlying network. And then with AGRP top, the control plan and data plan both handled by AGRP. And then designed by removing the need for an additional interior gateway protocol in the transport layer. And then it will be creating a hub and spoke topology and exchange dynamically through these tunnels, allowing for seamless communication between sites. And then we will go to the configuration. But before that, you should to make sure the version of iOS is 15. Here, the version is 15.7. How about the router 2? Okay, do show version. Wait a minute. And same 15.7. Next, in the router 3, also same is version. Okay, the last some version. So we already make sure that all of the four router is have the same version. So for the next is configuration. So it's the configuration. So the first for the first, you can configuration look back for the router one, and then for the IP address interface Ethernet 0 is 14.14.14.1. After that, you can uh, go to the next here. We focus to make IP address first. Go to the router 2 first. With the loopback is 2, yeah, 2 and 2. So for the IP address Ethernet 0 in router 2 is 24.24.24.1. So after that, you can go to the router 3, make the loopback, and then for the IP address Ethernet 0 is 34.34.34.1. With the prefix is 24 all and then go to the central router is router 4 with the loopback also, and then for the connected to router 1 it will be used Ethernet 0 with the IP address 14.14.14.14.2, and then for the to connect router 2 and then router 4 will be make IP address 24.24.24.2 and then apply in Ethernet 1. And for the last, for the Ethernet 2, we will make IP address to connect router 3 is 34.34.34.2. Right? And then we go to again, we will do show run. So we will make IP route like that. It will global network with this gateway. So if here we use IP route like that, it's just a method, but I will show my configuration. And then in the router 2, we will make static routing also with this IP route. In the router 3, this is the configuration, and then in the router 4, is there the IP static also, and then yeah, there is no. So we will test ping 24.24.24.2 in the router 1, and then connect it all. So after that, we go to the next slide. It's the main configuration of the top. For the first, in the router 1, the configuration router IRP IDN and address strip family IPv4 and Unicast autonomous system 123 with the remote network storage Ethernet. It's Ethernet out with the Unicast listen LISP encapsulation number, and then EF interface for the configuration the EF with the non-next hop self and then split horizon, and we will enter the network in the router 1 and exit address family. Same like in the router 2, we make the configuration for the neighbor. We add the neighbor is the router 1 with the configuration with the IP address is 14.14.14.1, and then the Ethernet out is 0 from the router 2 to the router 4 first, and then go to the router 1 with this network. Yeah, you can add the network, and then the router 4 is just like for the stroke when the forwarding internet, yeah, like that. And then for the router 3, we make same like the router 2, and then go to the neighbor is router 1 IP, and then enter the network that's router 3 have and exit address family. So after that, we can check for show IP enterprise brief brief IR. Okay, show IP interface brief I up and already connected for the LLSP, and then show again IP interface drive I up already connected. How about in router 3? Wait a minute. And then already connected ISP, so the look. How about in router 4? And then there is no because LISP LFSP just connected to the router one. So after that, after we check all, we will show so IP AGRP neck boards in our router. Already connect to all, then and then here we should to show IP route AGRP, and then in the router already connect, and then in the router 3 already connect all. So after that in the router 2 we will ping router 1 loopback connected, and then router 3 also connected. So we already built AGRP over the top, completed, and then now we can practice with this guide of video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.